So next one is poor mental models. We are surrounded by a society where you are having very, I would not say wrong, it's a poor mental model. Education system is poor, intelligence system is poor, stress management system, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law system, work-life balance system. See, a fish is in a tank. It will eat whatever you put in the tank, isn't it? If the tank is polluted, it will stink. We are nothing but we are surrounded. We eat from these friends. There is saying, no, you tell about your friends, I will tell about you. Same thing. You are surrounded by a tank. If the tank is wrong, if the tank, your friends are wrong, everything is wrong. If your friends are correct, everything is correct. So, education system, you look at this cartoon, it gives you an idea. Everybody is a genius. Okay? See, we have a fair education system, very simple examination. All have to climb the tree. Whoever goes fast, he will be declared as a winner. Do you think a bird can climb the tree, a fish can climb the tree, elephant can climb the tree, but still system is system. So that is where we are in a wrong education system. So there was a Gallup survey. So the question was asked, all parents, which is the institute you respect a lot? Everything is institutions. Which institution? They told military, Jai Jawan, I respect most. My nation's military system I respect. Then my business system. Third is police. Nowhere they are given education system. Parents have no confidence. They know pretty well that my person will not get a job in spite of investing in lakhs and crores of rupees. I will do my other work. But still, I have no option. Therefore, I'm saying nowhere they are loyal to the education system. That means every parent knows education system is a foolish system. I spent 10 lakhs of rupees that I will not get a job. Still, I am on a waiting list. Next, incompetent teacher. Recently, I went to Chennai to one school, conducting some program. There, I interacted with teachers. I had some different opinions of the teachers. Then, when I asked them, they were teaching our LKG students, LKG or primary. When I asked them, they were all MTechs. 80% of the MTech, no B.Ed or no graduates. And I asked the principal, what is this? He told, sir, what to do, sir? Paisa bachana hai. And this MTech student is teaching these LKG students. It is like a rotten tomato. Where is engineering? Where is basic ABCDs? And when MTech, some people are from different medium, local medium, some Telugu medium, others some Urdu medium people are there. So this is the type of education system. All rotten things are being fed to the children. Do you know, anybody know the best education system in the world? Any response?
Australian.
Good, any other response? Don't worry, right or wrong. Okay. The best education system world is Finland. Finland is the best education system. You know why? Up to 7 years, no schooling. घर में रहना है, माता पिता के पास रहना है. They learn all the family culture, uncle, auntie, how to take a decision, how to stop in the kitchen, how to wash the dish, how should I put for laundry. All the cultural systems are all taken care. They become a leader in the house. Then they enter the education system. There is one test called PISA test. PISA test is international test. Every time people go for PISA test, and every time the Finland comes the first. Finland is always first. So suddenly some students from Himachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu went for the PISA test and they failed. Then this went to the notice of HRD ministry. HRD ministry became very angry. They told, here I am giving a proof. No, India is placed on 72 among the 74. That means the last. 72 among the 74 parts of the country. Then Human Resource Development Ministry in India has chosen not to participate in the PISA test anymore. What a beautiful decision, देखा आपने? It is something like, no, there was a story of a cobbler. मुच्ची है जो चप्पल बनाता है. So he made a चप्पल to the order. Then the next day the guy came for wearing the चप्पल. He says, क्या भाई छोटा हो गया? तो ना छोटा नहीं हुआ सर, मैंने correct बनाया, आपका पैर बड़ा हो गया. Let me remove one finger. That is the education system you are having. So instead of making people grow to international standard, you are taking what that lowest standard as a super standard. You are making university first. Who is university last in the world? That is the reason people are not able to compete. And parent intelligence system, they know everything, but still they will go to the, what happened? Every year, all the people go like a Pied Piper. The story of Pied Piper. He blows the pipe and takes all the people, and at the end of the valley, everybody falls. Like once again, you are sacrificing very well that you are making your Bhakri sacrifice in the job market. Okay, no job. Use the subject, come, get training program, come as an apprentice, learn for 1 year, be on probation period. You cannot directly work. You don't know how, even you don't know how to open a telephone directory also. Many of my MTech students from IIT, IIM, they come and work with me in Bale while I was there. I ask them to take the telephone directory and talk to manager. They will be searching for 1 week where is the telephone directory, how to connect the manager. They don't do the pre-work. That has been not taught to them. And once again, people educational loan. And but actually, India is the suicide capital of the world. These particular teenagers are the number one maximum suicide rate happening in India. The system, they have a stress. They have got their own method of relieving the stress. What is that? They go to video games. What is video game? Best-selling video game, violence. Kill, fight, Star Wars. And that is the reason suicide game is very, very popular. What is it? Blue Whale. Which is the country, any of you know which is the country where maximum download of Blue Whale was there? Anybody can respond. Blue Whale is a game, a suicide game where people one day will cut the finger, another day he will open the skin, one day he will drop the blood. This is a game. It has been very great difficulty. It has been minimized, I would not say.
I think our country.
Yes, India is the maximum suicide game download without the knowledge of the parents.
And PUBG also.
Ji?
Sir, PUBG also.
PUBG also, yeah. So this is where our children are more intelligent than us. Please understand. ऐसे माहौल में है जहां where you do not know what is happening until unless you take charge, you cannot. Take a top Hindi movies, Bollywood का मारपीट वही मारपीट ना. This is what you are feeding our children. Except the two movies, you know, one is a hero, first scene Kabir Singh, where there the first scene is a very shocking scene. Hero is angry doctor, and he is having sex at the knife point with a lady. This is the first shot. See, the first impression makes a big difference. आपको मैं एक मेरा life का story बताऊँ. Raj Kapoor का old movie I used to see. My mother has taken me when I was a very small guy. I think it was Avara or something, or Anarkali, I don't know, Anari. There, this guy, Raj Kapoor ji walks on the road, and as usual on his style, and suddenly he is about to put a shoe, and suddenly he sees a small insect, that grasshopper is going. He doesn't put that, doesn't stamp it, crush it, उसको क्या एक छोटा से leaf से निकाल के side में डालता है. That is the first scene in my mind. And he sings a song. Okay? Some song he sings. So that is the first scene. First impression makes a big difference. That sex at a knife point. Girl is used as girl is a toy. So war, hero eliminate the mentor. You can kill your mentor. Guruji को आप खत्म भी कर सकते हैं. URI, what is URI? Attack on Indian Army. This is the top 3 movies, violent movies. Of course, there are 2 Mission Mangal is on ISR scientist, Bharat Desai's family edition. And this is a mill deal game. This is very, very popular. Thanks to the Ekta Kapoor ji, she has started a very good culture. Everywhere, every time you can see a Saas Bahu fighting. Mother-in-law will get 10 points in the night. How to poison the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law will get 10 points. She will learn 10 points. How to poison the mother-in-law. So this is the society we are living in. Okay? So we are surrounded by such a reckless society where we are eating poison, slow poison. Work-life balance. You know what is work-life balance? So this is another Gallup survey. So you can see people who are growing up, more the money, less the comfort, happiness, and so if you take an organization, there are 3 types of persons. One is engaged, and another person is not engaged, but and there is a puller back, actively disengaged. This fellow is more powerful. He doesn't want things to move out. So this is what employee engagement means. 13% of people are engaged. 63% are not engaged. And engaged is working with excitement, working with love, working with affection. Okay. Only 13%. That means 10% approximately. Out of 100 employees, 10% are really interested. There are majority, maybe say 40-50 people are actors. बुलाए तो जाएंगे, नहीं तो नहीं. But there are other 10 or 20%. They don't want things to happen like that. My question is, who is the root cause? I'll stop here.